Welcome to me and Jace's first ever apartment. Alright guys, follow me. I am so excited to show you. We moved in about 3 months ago. Still a lot needs to be done, but I feel like I've done enough to show you guys a little sneak peek of what we have going on here. So we got this place completely unfurnished because we are baby new homeowners. I knew I wanted a boy-girl apartment since I live with a boy, so I couldn't do like pink polka dots whimsy. I mean, it could, but I do think boy-girl apartment works. And when I think of boy-girl apartment, I think of neutrals, a lot of green, some wood, and then I found this couch. This couch is from OMHU, a brand I found on social media in Copenhagen. This is so beautiful. I got this in the shade Moss. They have so many colors you can choose, and they're very easy to remove. So let's say I'm not in the mood for this green anymore, I could totally get a completely new color and just switch out the cushion covers. The best part about this couch that I forgot to mention was that we can turn it into a bed. So whenever I want to have a slumber party or a movie night, which Jason and I have a lot of because we're such homebodies, we pull this out and in 30 seconds we have the ultimate movie night set up just for us. It is absolutely perfect. I'm obsessed. My mom actually had this carpet in her extra closet, so we got a free carpet, which is great. I do need to clean it though, honestly. Since we are new baby honers, something I learned is how expensive furniture is, especially all of the coffee tables I like. They range from like $2,000 to $4,000, so I made my own. This is my first time making furniture. I will say there's better furniture out there, but I'm proud of this being my first thing ever. I bought several stools from Ikea. Then I got these mirror panels from Amazon and grouted it. I also filled this up with fake moss and a fake plant. It turned out really cool. I also added this chessboard that I got Jace one year for Christmas that he loves so much. And of course, our traveling books. I want to make a whole collection of all the places that we've traveled to so far. But for now, we have Egypt, Amsterdam, and Japan. They're just so cute, and I can't wait to get more and more of these books. If we look up, you'll see this super cool paper lamp that I got from HEHE Collective. We had just come back from our trip to Japan, and I totally fell in love with their interior design. So I knew I 1,000,000,000% needed one of these Akari lamps. So I'm so happy with that. This one is from Lucy Lamps, and they have a bunch of different Akari lighting fixtures as well. Moving over here, I want to add shelves and maybe another painting here. Once we have that, I want to move this against the wall, and I would love a coffee machine, but again, I'm learning how expensive things are, so that's on the list. For now, I made this a really cute console table, you would call. This lamp is also from Lucy Lamps. This is Jace's chef book, and I think it's so pretty. He writes all of his recipes in here, so I just place them there. I got this from Urban Outfitters and filled it with a bunch of sample perfumes. I just love this edition so much. This was actually in a PR, but it's just a cool coffee table looking book, and I got these from Temu. This is Jace's guitar, and I think it looks sick mounted on the wall. I tried to do real pothos plants, but I am learning that I cannot keep plants alive. So I have a fake one, but hopefully with these propagated ones that I managed to save from the big vine, I could grow them and eventually they'll be there, but that is totally a later problem. We actually got these dining bar stools for free from our friend Anthony, who knew someone that was getting rid of these, and I think they look great. I think the chrome accents are super cool. This is sick. Our dining table that we got from Transformer Tables. First of all, it matches the aesthetic of our place so much. Just about fits in this corner. We really don't need more than a 4-seater table because it's just us two most of the time. But if we want to have people over and host a dinner, this bad boy extends. This set of 4 chairs I actually got for pretty cheap from Amazon. I think they were $200 for all 4 of them, which is awesome. Moving on to this, I was debating whether or not I should do this because my mom told me it's a bad idea. I mean, it is a rental, but this is contact paper, or wallpaper if you would call it. And it took me about 2 days. I am obsessed with how this looks. It matches the dining table perfectly. I'm actually getting a burgundy print painting right here, and I want to get a burgundy pendant lamp to dangle right here. So that's a later project that I'm really excited to get to work on. This took forever because it was our first thing that we assembled, our IKEA furniture. These are the EKET drawers. I'm gonna link everything that I'm showing you in the description box below, including these because I think they turned out really cool. I also got this Fado orb lamp from IKEA and I love it so much. I went on Amazon and got these AI smart bulbs with this app for this and the paper lamp. Jace, what color should I do?
Red.
Okay. Give me another color.
Green.
Okay. Give me like a really tricky color.
Magenta.
Okay. Would this be magenta? Or is that hot pink?
That's all pink.
Okay, what is magenta? Give me another color. I don't know what magenta is.
Fig.
Fig. Okay. Let's just make fig. Fig, that's like a dark red, right?
I don't know.
What's fig? Like this?
No, that's bubblegum.
Okay, well guys, look. We can basically...
Yeah, you can make whatever you want.
We can make whatever we want. Jason just give me weird colors that I don't know the answer to. I also got these magnetic remote lights from Amazon. Just prop them. I just propped them right there. Oh, my lava lamp. I saw this on Amazon and I had to get it. I love it. My mom hates it. She wants me to get rid of it so bad, but I think it's because I'm watching iCarly right now and I'm just like, iCarly is lava lamps. I love it. I could stare at it all day. This is what makes our place smell so good. Every 30 minutes, it lets out an essential oil, one from like a luxury hotel collection, and it smells amazing. So every time someone comes in here, if Jace is cooking, they'll say it smells like food, but when Jace is not cooking, they're like, it smells so good in here. I also have this fake olive tree because, as we discussed earlier, I can't keep plants alive. I love this. Jace does not like it that much. And I added this light fixture behind here. Moving on, I'm not going to show you in here, but this is a guest bathroom. It's a whole other project that I haven't even gotten to. I installed these all by myself. Clearly, we do not have a big wine collection. We're still working on it. I mean, like, yeah, we literally have Captain Morgan on here. So it's not that chic looking, but it will be chic. Again, everyone told me don't do it because it's a rental. But guys, I got the peel and stick wallpaper and oh my God, am I so glad. It turned out incredibly good. I even stuck on a few picture frames and I think it turned out super cute. This candle warmer is also from Lucy Lamps and this candle is from Urban Outfitters. Sorry guys, I ran out of storage, so fast forward to the next day. I'm still gonna show you the rest of my kitchen. We got this print from St. Augustine and then I got a frame with some sticky tape and I'm so obsessed with, and I actually did it to the other side with this frame we have. Here's a picture of me and Jace. This is a master that Jace likes to use. I got these from Temu along with this. Another thing I got from Temu are these super cute fridge magnets. I'm actually so obsessed with these. Here's a picture of me and my best friend Vanessa at an event where they took a photo of us and made it on a magnet. We are in Vietnam here and it's just such a cute memory. Oh, I added contact window paper because I feel like it made it look more chic. And the same thing I put under the TV, I put here and here. We also have these mason jars. This is a later project where Jace is going to fill them up with a bunch of vegetables and pickle them. And then we're gonna put them all up here because I don't like what I have going on up here right now. What else? Guys, I'm not gonna show you our second floor, I don't think, because this has been my main project. I haven't even worked on up there yet. I built this myself. It's a shoe cabinet from Amazon. It's just so perfect, so convenient because there is a lot of closet storage space, but there's not because I have a lot of things. This, I wish it was a different color wood. I want to mount it somewhere, but I also made this. I drilled it in the back and it holds our keys and our watches. I also got this picture frame from Ikea and I painted it. It's a little chipped from the journey here. The place came with these hooks and they were there. And I put them here, and here's my cute little denim tote. I just think this looks so cute. I definitely want to put a plant here and fill up this corner more. There's just so much to be done. What? The basketball? Oh. I got Jace this basketball for his birthday and he loves to go and play basketball outside. I've already yelled at him for using the basketball inside. What else should I show you guys? That's the mini updated tour for now. I'm so excited to show you more and more of how our place turns out to be. Just check my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm gonna post a lot of updates there. I have a whole story highlight now called Apartment and it's just super exciting. I can't wait to see how this place is gonna turn out. So I love you guys. Bye.